film. I am Kate Irish Jama and welcome to the journey of Discovery Township. Today we are here to talk about the film entitled I Am Sam, a heartfelt drama film that tells the story of Sam Dawson, a mentally challenged man who fights to regain custody of his young daughter, Lucy. Let us all welcome our guests for today, Miss Pia Carolina Aurelia, Miss Jessa Buncam, Miss Jana May Alabado, Miss Jane Herbuto, and Mr. Oliver Boylas. They are the students of Western Philippines University, and they are here to give us some insights about the film. Oh, welcome to the journey of Discovery, guys. So, how's your day?
It was fun.
It was nice to hear that. So, let us move on to the story of I Am Sam. So, after watching the movie, can you give us some insight about the film?
So I Am Sam is a story compelling about Sam who was in mental disability. So after his ex-partner left him with a newborn baby, which is Lucy, his daughter, he took care of his own daughter, which is Lucy, despite of his disability. And as Lucy grown up, the band of the father, which is Sam, and his daughter, caught the attention of social worker, and they want Lucy to be placed in a foster care because they think that Sam could not handle his own daughter because of his disability. And by that, a lawyer named Rita wants to help him to get his daughter back.
Thank you. So, which part of the video had the greatest impact with you or the most memorable part and why?
For me, the most memorable part for me is which Lucy asked her father if God made him like that or it is just an accident. So Lucy said that her father doesn't like the other daddies or because he is very different from them. And then imagine the feeling of the father or Sam asked by her daughter like that. And then but Lucy said she's still proud and happy for having a father like that. So aside from that, another most memorable part for me is the ending, which is give me a heartwarming emotionally. So just a happy ending.
So, thank you. So, next question is, what does the film want to tell to its audience or to its viewers?
I Am Sam want to show that love and determination are more important than anything else. It teaches us that everyone deserves a chance, no matter their differences. The film also highlights the strength of family bonds and the importance of acceptance and understanding in our society.
So, thank you. So, you are all adult students, right?
Yes.
So, here's my question. So, what information in the film will be helpful for you as a future teacher?
As a future educator, I Am Sam provides valuable insights into teaching and supporting students with disabilities. It emphasizes the importance of patience, empathy, and individualized instruction. In addition, the film underscores the significance of collaboration between educators, parents, and other professionals to ensure the success and well-being of students with disabilities.
Thank you. So, do you have similar experience with that kind of personalities in the film?
Yes, I have. I can say I have not the same experiences just being there in a trial. But I can say that I have the same experiences in a way that my love to someone was questioned by other people around me because they see my weaknesses and incapabilities. I'm not going to be more specific, but that's the point. I also tell lies just to comfort my inner self to avoid embarrassment or shame. Just like how Lucy's did in the scenario that Lucy's friends told him that she don't have need to call Sam a daddy, but for a reason that she told him that she is an adopted child. And lastly, I have the same experience with Rita that I try my best to give comfort to others, but it ends up to invalidation because they always thought that I do not know their feelings, I do not know how they feel because we are not in the same situation, and they see me as lucky and while they are not. Beside the fact that I'm also a human, I also have difficulties, I am also have my greatest pain, but I put that aside just to help them feel better.
Thank you. So, next question is, do you know anyone who has a similar experience?
Of course, yes. And in my hometown in Taytay, I see this homeless woman, and despite of his mental disability, he continued to take care of her many children. Yeah, she has many children, and despite of that, his disability didn't hinder to take care and love of her children.
Thank you. So, my last question is, what would you like to tell other students or individuals about the film?
This film is one to teach us is all you need is love. This is not quietly strictly true and shows that love can bring people together even after enemies. Despite any impairment, anyone is capable of love.
Yes, I absolutely agree with that. And by that, I inspire everyone who is currently watching this talk show to watch this movie, because I believe that this movie will give you a lot of lessons that you'll never forget. And yeah, and yes, I inspire you to watch this movie. It was really great to watch.
Thank you. Well, it's time to wrap up the show. Thank you for our lovely guests for joining us today and lending us some time. It reminds us to look beyond someone's limitations and recognize their capacity for love and care. Remember that embracing diversity and understanding